Hello and welcome back to another exciting session. I'm your host Mahesh Karia. You're watching me on YouTube now, and today I'm gonna take you through the complete CICD pipeline with the Azure GitHub Actions, and you can deploy or continuous build and deploy your uh, Docker container to GitHub Actions, and GitHub Actions will deploy to Azure. So this sounds like a very long process, but in short, it will take a few minutes only to get everything up and running with normal any project. So I'm going to use Node project. You can prefer anything, Spring Boot, Fast API, whatever it may be. It will be applicable for all these things. Okay. So we'll start quickly without wasting any time. So I'm going to create new folder as usual, but before that you have to have Azure account available. I already have it, so I already logged in to my Azure account. So we also need a Docker if you don't have it, okay, because we are going to build the files. Okay, so you have to have Docker available because this session is mostly about deploying your images repositories to Docker. Okay, so to Azure. So you need to install Docker for your system. Okay, so you can grab this thing from here, install Docker. I already have it, so let me grab Docker quickly. Let me install Docker quickly. Actually, I already have it. So after that, what we can do is you can install this thing from here, okay, for your system. After that, you need to create a new resource. So you can simply search for container repository. Okay, so yeah, it's getting started. You can close this thing. It will start in background. You will get this little icon over here. Okay, so container registries. Okay, this one, click here, and here you can create your new registry. Okay, simply now click here, and after that it will be very easy process. No worries, if you don't have any account you can stick to default as well, or you can create new as well. It's all up to you. So let's try to create new quickly if possible. qcom, or let's say I'm looking for the small name. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, you can name it again. I'll choose same name for all the things. Okay, so central US, it's fine, completely fine. It will be standard, it's okay. Okay, fine. Now we can now switch to networking. We can deploy directly as well. You can tags are optional, so no worries, no need to do anything. Just verify this thing. It will it will validate first. After that you can create. Okay, it was the first thing that we have done already. It will take some time to deploy, I guess. I already clicked on it. Okay, it's running over here. I am like, why I am using this little box here, because I'm trying to hide my username, but I haven't got anything. So okay, fine. So no worries. So now we need a VS code. Okay, so yeah, it's done already. Okay, you can see, you can now go to resource as well from here. Okay, now you can see, now if you click here in repositories, you can see we haven't deployed anything yet. We are going to create one node project. After that we'll create here. Okay, so let me search for web app for containers. Okay, so you can see this one. Okay, you need to click here. Okay, okay, after that same, you need to choose your resource as usual. Name it, I'm going to stick to same name for all the things. This is it. You can stick to these things only. Linux plan, it's fine, whatever it may be, I don't care for now. Okay, this is it. We can go to the deployment, I guess. Region is same. You can choose Docker container over here because we are deploying Docker thing. Okay, so this is it. Next, in deployment we now can use continuous deployment. I'm looking for actually. So configuring GitHub Actions will configure GitHub Actions later, which is very easy process, no worries. This is single quick start. Okay, so instead of for now I'll choose this Azure Container Repository Registry, sorry. So this is registry which is we have already created. So you can see QCOMR is there already, and cannot perform the credential operations. It's completely fine. So we need to allow this admin thing over there. Okay, so what we can do is we can quickly uh, uh like click here in container registries, and let me try quickly if possible to allow admin thing. So in security, I think mostly, let me try this thing, access key, but it will allow me to you need to allow this thing, so you will get your password onwards. See, you got your password, you can copy from here. Okay, now let me quickly save this thing, and I can't see save thing here, but now we'll go to uh, web app for container this thing. Okay, now we'll again go through the same process, web app name QCOMR. Okay, all the things are pretty fine, I guess. Now the next thing, again, deployment. You can choose this enable after once you have GitHub Actions. Okay, instead of this quick start, I'll choose this thing. Here I'll be using QCOMR. Okay, it will automatically load the images, but I don't have any image over here, so that's why I need to deploy something first. So for now I'm going to create new folder quickly. I'm going to name it Azure. Okay, now I need one more thing. I need a GitHub repo. Okay, so let me go to github.com. okay, of course, and after that I'm going to quickly create a new folder. Okay, so let me create a new repository. Okay, where I'm gonna name it as suggested name. I always prefer to use suggested name, which is okay. So after that, what we can do is we can open our VS Code, simply drag your folder. And we also need one more thing, like if you have this Azure tool, if you don't have it already, what you can do is you can simply search for Azure, and you will get this thing, you can see. Okay, you need to install this thing. After that it will ask for the login, your credentials, and this is it. And after that you can access everything from here only, no need to do anything else. So this is it. This is required, I think. If you want to install this thing, you can. After that I'll quickly create a Docker file. Okay, so make sure to you have already Docker file. I'm assuming that you have created your image. Okay, so this is my Docker file, but before that I need one app.js. And let me quickly open my terminal with command G or control plus backtick if you're on Windows, and simply search for node-fm version. Let me check my version. npm use 14.4.0. okay, cool. So after that or you can use any version, no barriers. Okay, cool. So after that I'll quickly use npm init-y and npm install express. Till then, after that we'll also do npx git ignore. What it will do is it will create a git ignore file. Okay, so this is it, I think. And after that, till then I'm going to create a project, const express, a normal hello world project, equals to require express. Okay, and const app equals to express. I always make mistakes. Okay, app.listen. Nowadays I'm using GitHub Copilot. Okay, you can use it, guys. so you don't need to write that much of code. So request response and res.send hello world. This is it. This is the hello express, let's say. So this is it. This is the best smallest example. Now we need to write the docker thing. So this is very easy. So from, let's say, node, you can use Alpine version as well. I'll stick to normal node 14, and you can choose your work dir. I always choose user slash src slash app, let's say. Okay, you can choose anything, by the way, no worries. Copy your package, okay, star dot json. It means your both the files, package log and package.json, and we need to choose app.js to dot slash directory, let's say. So we'll copy this thing. After that we'll run the normal npm install script, and after that what we need to do, expose something to 80 port 80, which is default port, okay. cmd, which is node index or node name of your file. In my case app.js I'm using, and this is it. This is all the docker file. This is the simplest docker file I have made. Okay, after that what you have to do is check for docker -fm version if you have it or not. Once you do that, what you can do is you can see we have created git ignore, okay, as I said, and after that we'll quickly create docker build, and we can name it, okay, -t. So I'm gonna name it qcom r, which is name of my Azure. Okay, so Azure cr.io slash hello express, okay, colon latest, let's say. So this is it. I think this is all that we need to do to create the latest repo, and let me enter quickly. So it will take some time. Okay, cool. So it's done already. After that what I'll do is I'll quickly try to run this thing. So before deploying you should run this thing, so to just make sure that everything is running fine. So name will be a normal s1 or whatever it may be, no matter what you choose. In detach mode I'll publish this thing in port 8080. So this is and after that the name of your that we just give the name. Let me grab this thing quickly. Okay, you can grab this thing, control V. So this is it, I think, or we can hit enter. So it's running in background. Okay, so let me check quickly over here that everything is running fine. So localhost colon 80, so no need to write 80, and I hope hello express is working fine. So this is the first process. Now another thing is git init quickly. Okay, once you do this thing you can attach this thing. Okay, after that git add, git commit -m, whatever it may be, init, let's say, git push, and need to set this thing upstream, grab this thing, paste, hit enter. Okay, the origin is already exist. Okay, so no worries, git push. Okay, I have made any mistake, I think. Let me okay, this is the process of like I have just committed the code, but before that what we have to do is we need to log in first. Okay, so what I'll do is now I'll use docker login. Okay, I'll try to show you both the process. Okay, if you don't want to use GitHub Actions, it's completely fine. you can do this from your terminal only. So first we will deploy the project from our terminal only. After that we will add GitHub Actions. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to log in from your that thing. Okay, let me grab the name quickly. Okay, this one. So Docker login, and after that simply name it. Okay, so this is your name qcomr. Okay, so you can name it username qcomr. Okay, did not succeeded because it's v2. Okay, get io.v2 unauthorize. Let me try this again. So it will be qc, default name will be qcomr. Okay, password will be the password that we just got here. If you remember guys, let me go there once again. And so we need to do this thing once again. No worries. So in registries, okay, we go there in registries. Okay, if you remember, in access keys we got our password. Okay, this is the password. You can copy from here, you can paste here. Okay, hit enter, and hopefully we are good to go. So login success. So this is the first thing. Now we need to push our registry. Okay, so to push the registry what we'll do is simply docker push, and the name of this thing slash hello express latest. Okay, name of your image. So now we are deploying or a docker file or a docker image. Okay, so now this is published, I guess. Okay, so it will take a while for the first time, and after that from next time it won't take that much. So these are the layers. Okay, so if we make some changes in app.js, so there will be might be only one or two layers will be updated, so it won't take much. For the first time only it will take some time. So till then what we can do is now we can see inside repositories. I think uh, we'll get the hello express. Okay, so we got our hello express over here. You can see the latest that we just committed. Okay, now we need to connect a web app for uh, our container. Okay, sure to me, yeah. So yeah, we are doing this for the third time, but make sure to commit first. Okay, or to build your repository first. After that you can able to connect this thing. So let me again choose qcom r. Okay, so uh, already I told you guys what you can select according to your choice, and deployment will be disabled for the first time. We'll enable it later. This will be Azure. Now you can select image, I think, over here, because we have just uploaded hello express latest. Okay, startup command you can define whatever it may be, it's all up to you. After that, monitoring, let's see, no need to update anything in monitoring tags as well. Application in insights. Okay, you can do this yes or no. Okay, you can monitor if you want, but for now I'll stick to review and create. Okay, tags are optionals, it's all up to you. Okay, create this thing. It will take a it will first validate all the things. After that you can create this thing. It will also take time. Okay, till then what we can do is we can quickly refresh this thing. Okay, now you can see we just committed that much of code. Okay, now I don't you can either create GitHub Actions from here, but you don't need to do anything from here. Okay, it will automatically generate your workflow automatically. Let me show you guys. from where you can, it will take some time. Okay. So yeah, it's done. Okay. Go to the resources. Inside here, you can click here in deployment center. Okay. And here we go. So you can see logs from here, but before that we need to check this continuous deployment. Okay, this is very important, so make this on all the time. And now you can connect to your GitHub Actions. So once you click here, it will ask for the organization. Okay, so I already logged in. Okay, you will get the you can click here account. You can authorize your GitHub. After that it will automatically, you can name your repository. My name of repository is turbo something. Okay, you can search for turbo. You will get suggestion. I think I'm not getting any suggestion. Let me check quickly. Okay, this one. So branch will be default master, of course, and this is it. This is all you have to do. Once you do this thing, okay, you just need to preview this file and save this thing. Okay, so now you are successfully connected to your uh, GitHub. Okay, so now let me go to the logs quickly. Okay, now if I refresh this thing, okay, so you can see the container logs and build logs. So okay, you can click here. I think it's in progress. Okay, it's in progress. If I go here, if I refresh this page, we can see this thing, this orange circle. It means the build is started, and you can see the GitHub workflow is created automatically. You don't need to do anything. This is it. This is all we have to do. You can see all the login registry. It will be automatically login. Image will be created. Image will be deployed automatically. Till then, what we can do is we can, you can see the logs as well over here. If something goes wrong, you can get uh, errors here, but everything is fine. Of course it will work. Okay, now let me see quickly what was the name of my container apps. Okay, I forgot, I guess. Container, web container apps. And here we have, sorry, I don't want to create anything. Okay, I let me search quickly here. This is your app service. Okay, click here and you will get your domain. Of course this is by subscription ID. No worries, I can click here on URL. Okay, just click here and open this thing here. Okay, now hopefully Hello Express you will get here. I think it will take some time. I don't know, in background there might be, it's in progress, I think. So yeah, this is working. You can see Hello Express. Okay, cool. So now what we can do is we can simply, we need to take a pull. Okay, because as I told you guys, we got our GitHub folder over here. It's created by Azure. So now we need to take a pull quickly. After that we'll make few changes and we'll commit the code and we'll see the changes over there. Okay, so now I'll say this is v2. Okay, so let me try this once again. Okay, I'll simply add commit and uh, deploy. Okay, let me commit this thing once again. I'm not going to change anything. Git push. Okay, once you push something and once you reload this thing, the build will start it automatically. Will start automatically. Okay, now if we go here in build, you can see this is running once again, and once this is done you can change, you can see the changes over here. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I think we have done all the things till then. Let me see that auto deployment is let me see in deployment center that we have activated auto deployment already. That's why it's working. Otherwise it won't work. Okay, so make sure that Okay, so GitHub Actions is already connected, no worries. Okay, the here you can see the logs, here you can see the build logs. Okay, 2 times we have deployed. Okay, now this is okay, it's fine. FTPS credentials, you can use this credentials to log in with your FTP, but for now I don't need anything. So yeah, I think you can see the right icon over here. It means this is deployed successfully, so we can see the changes. Now if we refresh this thing, you can see v2. So yeah, this is running perfectly fine. We don't need to worry about anything. So you can see we have created complete pipeline with the Azure. I hope I'm not missing anything. You can provide a custom domain here if you want, and if you have multiple images, you can deploy multiple images from there as well. So it's all your choice. Okay, so thank you very much all of you guys for being with me, supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you enjoyed already, and don't forget to like this video, and please let me know in comment box. I'll make more such videos such like that, and what you want from my side um you can write in comment box as well. So thank you so much guys. Have a great day.